Okay, so we have a tournament report from Mitrovic, and we have couple lists. So I think I want to share this one. First, we have this Studio CS from Taiwan, I believe. Um, we have Fire King with Bonfire. Bonfire is like mandatory in this Fire King deck because it helps you to have like a starter hand, and it gives you more consistency. But uh, this one is interesting because he played 3 Axel. I think he won't like open, open this Populus. For example, you can search Populus with Excel, or you can search Populus with Bonfire. Also, you can search Excel with Bonfire, and you can like get a lot of value. Let's say Bonfire search Excel, Excel search Populus, Populus you can search this Snake Eye spell, and you can make you can make maybe the Soundlick Wolf with it. Yeah, this one is interesting. And he played 3 Troll and 1 Ghost Spell. I think Ghost Spell is really good in mirror match. Also, when you going second, it helps you to negate opponent Cold by Grave, because this deck is really weak against Cold by Grave. And people usually play Cold by Grave in main deck. So Ghost Spell is mandatory in this deck too. You also have Ghost Spell in side deck. Lancia, I think expect opponent have evenly, and as you can see, this deck doesn't have cards that can get spell or trap, except this this one, this level 4. I forget this name. Next, Rescue S. This one don't have Bonfire. They played Auto-Tune Engine. Next, another Fire King. Next, we have Silent Force with this out as Pendulum Graph. He also maintained 2 Super Poly, interesting. Okay, let's move. Yeah, another Silent Force, but he played Pot Extra for free to draw. Next, we have Salaman Grid. He played Black Rose, interesting. Next, Rescue S with Bonfire, and he played Link Centric. I also play Link Centric. I think Link Centric is like more flexible, and I don't really afraid about evenly or else. And another Silent Force. Next, Silent Force. I'm not sure this one is from tournament or not. Some people play. I think they try to test pot extra in this deck, because you don't really need extra attack actually if you play this deck. Next, this is not from tournament, but you can use this for reference. This is a Yubel deck. And from Korean, we have Natrio Horus. With this deck, I think with 2 cards combo, you can make Calamity Lock. And okay, so interesting. He don't use the Earth one and just to play this this fire. Interesting. I mean, this Horus, this a new one, have a weird card effect, because you can only special summon this in opponent turn, I think. And you need to discard undercard, maybe. Yeah, this one is a bit weird actually, in my opinion. But summon in opponent turn is interesting actually if I'm thinking again about this card. Next, I'm not sure this one is Magmag or not. Maybe this one is Magmag. Yep, this one is Magmag. Next, Rescue S with Bonfire and Link Centric. Next, Betul Magician with Black Rose because he played Destro 2. Next, Snake Eye. Skeleton in main deck. Snake. Yeah, I think you can still use Snake Eye monster on the field to spell summon Snake Eye from deck because send card is cost. So this is interesting actually. Next, Snake Eye. Next, we have Pendulum FTK. Yeah, he played the Instant Fusion. He also played Recalls. And this failed spell help you to avoid card like Valor, Impalm, and Gosokre. Next, Rescue S. This is from next play tournament, and as you can see, first place we have Snake Eye, following with Fire King, Silent Force with Diviner. For Diviner, it's a bit I don't like this variant. I mean, because you need a fairy in your hand, and you don't have much fairy in your hand if you play this one, so that's why I played standard build with Diviner plus Dogma. Also, this Settle engine alone is strong, even though if you get second, and I don't think I need this Herald, but only one Soul Ravis is interesting because sometimes it's break. I played 2 because I want to have a Soul Ravis in hand, so it helped me to negate opponent Valor and Impalm, who negate my master effect. And this one is Magician FTK. Next, I think this one is Trap Tricks. He might take Kumongus. This one from Master Duel. Another Silent Force. Yeah, this list is I usually use, but I don't play Prosperity. It's because if I have this Nadir in my hand and Prosper in my hand too, I don't get a free draw from Garura, so that's why I don't use Prosperity in my deck. And Lyricus is interesting in this deck because you can easy to have like 2 Nofox on the field. First, let's say don't form normal summon. Second, you can summon it from I forget from this spell or something. I forget about it. So yeah, this Lyricus is interesting engine because you can make Zeus. Because the problem with this deck is kind of break opponent of board. So I think I want to test it in my deck. And Dating Nightmare is interesting too because it help you play against Runic or Pendulum. Next, another Silent Force. Besides this ritual deck is interesting to play. Also, Novok is like new wave for this deck, so I think that's why people try to play this deck. And let's move from China tournament. And they had like 350 participants. Interesting. Akron Swiss and top 32. And let's start for the list. We have Snake Eye. Fire King. And they have Zero Puros. Okay, so talking about Zero Puros is interesting because I also thinking about to put Zero Puros in my Rescue S2 because last week I have a problem with break opponent board. They have full board and I don't have something to break their board because access code cannot do much. So Zero Puros is interesting for link centric deck and for deck that cannot use Zeus. So yeah, Zero Puros is interesting actually. I want to test it in my deck. Next, second place, Horus Centurion, or maybe Centurion Horus. He played Gamma. Yeah, Gamma this deck is not really break because you can discard it with your Sarko or Centurion field. Also, Anti-Spell is interesting. I also put Anti-Spell in my deck because you can avoid card like Super Poly in this deck if you have Anti-Spell. Next, Branded. Okay, so he played Shifter 2 inside deck and this Gimmick Puppet. This Gimmick Puppet is annoying for the deck because you cannot spell summon under than Gimmick Puppet. Another Branded, but he played one Eclipse. Interesting. I think people not ready about this, and that's why he also played enemy controller in here, so he can tribute this Gimmick Puppet. Chimera Horus. Next, Silent Force. Yeah, this list is I usually use, but yeah, this list is almost same with my list. Maybe he saw my video, maybe I'm not sure because this extract especially this is almost same. The difference is update second herald, then this second elder entity this, and other else is same too. Let's say this Almiras and Secure Karta. You need this. Let's say if you already have Maximus in your hand, you can use your hand trap or maybe Novox to summon Almiras and summon Secure Karta because you need card from extra in your grave to activate Maximus, because with Maximus you can gain a lot of value, and that's why I put Almiraj and this Secure Karta in my deck. And this repeat is really good because it helps you to send Garura from your extra to deck from extra to grave. And okay, so he played 2 trap. This one is interesting because people usually only play 1. And this is sometimes his break, so I'm not sure why he played 2. This card is like Pengraph Trap, and this card is really good actually, but you cannot recycle this. Different with Underspell, you can recycle your spell with this monster. Yeah, this is almost same with my my list. Yeah, I think that's it from this China. The other list is not leak, only these 3. But actually they have lot of lists. Let's say this Ataman, Magician, Ataman, Dragonling, Manatium, Rescue S, Tricklesair card top, interesting. Rescue S, Synchron, purely Ancient. I think this Ancient is engine, so this is most likely is Labyrinth, Horus Glitch, Labyrinth, Rescue S, Naturia Horus, Vernus Sleep Naturia, Fire King, Silent Force, and yeah, the other else is same. And to skip. And we have this Asian Campus League. Yeah, only 60 participants because only student who can join this one. So I'm not student anymore, so I cannot join this tournament. This is from Indonesia, and we have Fire King, Meikanko, Chimera Horus, Labyrinth and Labyrinth. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's from Midweek tournament. We have couple good lists. So see you the next one.